All right, let's dive right in. We're talking about one of nature's most incredible magicians, the chameleon. Now, they're famous for one spectacular trick, but I'm telling you, the secret behind it is way more fascinating than you've probably ever been told.
So, it's a question we've all asked, right? Probably since we were kids. And what's the first answer that just pops into your head? I bet it's this one.
Yep, that's the one. Camouflage. It's the answer everybody knows. And look, it's not wrong, but it's kind of like saying the only reason people talk is to whisper secrets. It's just a tiny piece of a much, much bigger and way more colorful story.
So, let's just tackle this head on, shall we? It is time to bust open this whole camouflage myth and get to the real truth behind what is, let's be honest, an incredible biological superpower. You know, this idea that a chameleon just looks at a leaf, thinks, I want to be that shade of green, and then poof, it just happens? Yeah, that's not really how it works. Blending in is definitely a skill in their toolkit, but it is not their main reason for changing color. Believe me, they have much more important things to say. So, what are the real reasons? Well, it pretty much boils down to three key things: managing their body, communicating with each other, and, reacting to the world around them.
Okay, so here's the bottom line. For a chameleon, changing color is all about survival and communication. It's a tool for staying warm or cooling down. It's a way to broadcast their feelings to rivals or to potential mates. And yes, as a last resort, it's a way to hide from things that want to eat them.
So now that we know why they do it, let's get to the really cool part: how they do it. This isn't magic. It's this incredible masterpiece of biological engineering that's hidden just underneath their skin. It really all comes down to layers. Get this, their outermost skin is actually see-through. It's transparent. And right underneath that, you've got these multiple layers of special cells, each one holding different pigments. We're talking yellows, reds, and even cells that reflect blue light. It's like having a whole paint palette built right into your skin. Now, the fancy scientific name for all these amazing color-filled cells is chromatophores. Just think of them as these tiny microscopic balloons that are packed with pigment. These little guys are the engines of the whole process. They hold all the colors a chameleon needs to express itself. So when a chameleon gets excited or maybe angry or even just needs to warm up in the sun, its nervous system sends a signal. And those little chromatophores, those little balloons, either squeeze their pigment sacs tight or they let them expand wide open. By controlling how much each layer stretches or shrinks, they can mix and match to create that entire rainbow of colors that we see. And what about that deepest layer? Well, it's got something called melanophores, which are filled with melanin, and that is the exact same pigment that determines the shade of human skin. So, in a weird way, you and I actually share a tiny piece of this amazing color-changing toolkit. Okay, so if these color changes are driven by moods and what they want to do, what are they actually saying? This is where it gets really good. Chameleons are basically using their skin to have these super complex conversations without ever making a sound. And their language is surprisingly direct. A male chameleon might flash these brilliant, bright colors to another male, basically shouting, "Hey, I'm the boss here," or to signal to a female that he's, interested. But on the flip side, if he suddenly turns dark, that is a crystal clear sign of aggression or a warning to absolutely back off. It's a pretty bold communication style, you gotta admit. And here we are, full circle. Of course, they also use this for camouflage. When a predator is nearby, a chameleon can absolutely dial down its colors to a simple green or brown to just vanish into the leaves and branches. So yeah, camouflage is part of their vocabulary, but it's just one word in a rich and incredibly colorful language. As if being a color-shifting conversationalist wasn't enough, chameleons have a few other superpowers up their sleeves that are just as mind-blowing. So let's run through a couple of quick ones. Okay, first up, vision. Their eyes can move totally independently of each other. This gives them a full 360-degree view of the world around them. Think about that. It means they can look forward at their next meal and backward at a potential threat at the exact same time. Go ahead, try doing that. And what about this number, 0.07? What is that? Well, that is how many seconds it takes for a chameleon's ridiculously long tongue to shoot out and strike its prey. It is one of the fastest movements in the entire animal kingdom. Blink, and you will literally miss it. When you think about it, a chameleon's skin isn't just a covering. It's a living billboard, broadcasting its every thought, feeling, and intention. And that leaves you with a pretty fascinating question, doesn't it? If chameleons are having these complex, colorful conversations right in front of our eyes, what other secret languages are being spoken all around us in the natural world, just waiting for us